Buntag. Oh, anyway, it's good to be back here in Shizuoka. This is my third visit here to Shizuoka, and every time I come here, nag-i-enjoy ako dito. Dahil ang mga tao dito ay very friendly, very warm. Maski na malamig dito, very warm ang tao.
Yes.
Pangalawa, masarap ang pagkain.
Yes.
Last time ako nandito, pinakain ako ng gusto ni Ana at talagang we enjoyed eating here. So when Ana invited me here again, sasabi ko kagad, yes. Hindi ko akalain ganito kalamig. Pero hindi ba? Kaya balot na balot ako ngayon. Anyway, to our Japanese friends, this is a very good occasion for the Filipino community to introduce our country, our beautiful country, through cultural presentations, through our songs, through our dances, and to the people, to the warmth of the people. Filipinos are probably the friendliest in Asia because this is something very innate among Filipinos. We always smile even during crisis. Like right now, at this very moment, one of the strongest typhoons to hit the country this year is hitting now the eastern areas in the Philippines, in eastern Visayas. Primarily Samar and Leyte are now being hit by a 200 km/h typhoon. Not as strong as Haiyan or Yolanda last year, pero it's still very strong. But somehow, Filipinos have learned how to accept crisis. We understand what it is like to be affected by natural calamities. And right after that, we bounce back, we move on. We move on. We don't anymore think about how bad it is, but we look at the future. We look at the brighter side of things. And this is something very typical of the Filipinos. Any kind of crisis, we look at the bright side. And I'm happy to note that many of our kababayans here are married to Japanese people, and I hope that you will come and visit our country. We have a beautiful country that we would like to show you. We have some of the most beautiful beaches in Asia. We have a lot of nice golf courses. You can play 36 holes of golf every day because at 6 o'clock you can start playing and you can finish at 7 o'clock at night. And then at night you can enjoy all the beautiful karaoke bars in the Philippines. And you can have a good time there, just even if you are not a golfer, you can just go scuba diving. You can enjoy the beautiful beaches of Boracay, of Bohol, or you go to the underground river of Palawan. You see the old cities of Vigan in the northern part of the Philippines. There is so much to see in the Philippines. So I invite all of our Japanese friends, please come and visit the Philippines. Especially now more than ever, Philippine-Japan friendship, Philippine-Japan relationship is at its best. Filipinos are very close to Japanese now, and we have already more or less set aside what happened in World War II. We have moved on. We don't anymore think about that because there are many better things to think about. That's why you will always be welcome when you come to our country. Our food, you will notice Filipinos love Japanese food. Wherever you go, all the shopping malls have Japanese restaurants. And then when I was in Manila last week, in every shopping mall there is a ramen restaurant, there is a tonkatsu restaurant, there is a tempura restaurant. So, if you like Japanese food, we have so many. And the Japanese population in the Philippines is growing and growing. They will even soon have a dedicated TV channel only for Japanese programming that will be introduced early next year in the Philippines. So you can see that even if you don't speak good English, you will manage somehow. Many Filipinos have learned how to speak Japanese also, and can be your guide around the Philippines. Well, anyway, I will not anymore take long in my speech.